Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 1.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.9% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 3.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices rose, helped by a softer dollar, while market participants awaited more clarity on the US Federal Reserve's rate hike stance. Spot gold was up 0.7% at over $1,752 per ounce. The yen is rebounding rapidly after tumbling last month to its weakest level in 4 decades, and there could be more turbulence ahead if the currency echoes its behavior from previous tumultuous episodes. Cryptocurrency lender BlockFi has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, the company said, the latest crypto casualty following the spectacular collapse of the FTX exchange earlier this month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's construction orders will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment rate at 0855 GMT. The US gross domestic product annualized at 1330 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index will be released at 2130 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's construction work done at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.